Hello everyone, I'm Yuna from Korea. I worked for animal welfare 2 weeks. And first, thanks for Ruma, Baban, Kamala, Dave, and grandfather, grandmother. And at the first time I saw the dog, I feel a little bit scary because they are too big, but now I feel they are so cute and lovely. And especially the puppies are really adorable. But if you want to see the puppies, you have to do your best to care of the dogs. And when I walked with the dogs first time, I it's not easy to control them, and barking street dogs really terrifying. But now we have a bondage between me and the dogs, so we both really enjoying our walk. And every meal were every meal was very delicious, and I really enjoy this life. And so I think it was very good chance to experience Indian culture, and I love Indian people, so it was very nice time. Thank you.